Hi, I'm Tia Perkin, and today we're going to look at spooky ghosts and do one of my favorite Halloween crafts, a Tootsie Roll Pop Ghost. To make our Tootsie Roll Pop Ghost, we of course need a Tootsie Roll Pop. We need some self-adhesive googly eyes, a small hair tie rubber band, a couple of ribbons, cut about a foot long. I like to use an orange and a black to make it extra Halloween festive. And then we need a piece of white cloth cut into a square or rectangle. Doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, that sort of helps with the ghostly shape. And I make it about 4 to 6 inches on each side. And I like to cut it with these serrated pinking shears. Gives it a nice little finish on the edge. And what we need to do is just take our lollipop, place it in the center underneath our cloth, cinch the cloth up, and put our rubber band just right beneath the lollipop. Then we'll take our ribbon, and I am going to tie a bow right around where we have the rubber band. I'm going to tie these just at the same time. Having two just gives it a little extra flair, but we tie them both together just like you're tying a shoelace. And take the self-adhesive googly eyes, just peel them off of the backing and put them on the face, just however you want them. And if you like, you can always take a marker and give it a little mouth, but I like how they look just with the googly eyes. See, look how adorable that is. And there is how you make our adorable Tootsie Roll Pop Ghost. Thanks for joining me today. Please check out my Etsy page where you'll find these craft kits to make the Tootsie Roll Pop Ghosts. Also, go on Amazon.com to check out Hall-O-Ween. And like, subscribe. Next time we'll be learning how to draw a ghost. See you next time.